Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Right-click the timeline clip and choose New Fusion Clip to open Fusion. This creates a Fusion composition for compositing. Add a background node and set its alpha to 0 so the canvas is transparent. Add a text plus node and type your text. Set font size to 48 and align the text to center. Use the transform controls for precise placement. Keep the Fusion viewer showing the alpha channel to confirm transparency before you proceed. Connect the text plus node to a merge node foreground input and connect that merge to media out. This preserves the alpha channel through the node tree. In text plus set fill opacity to 100% and adjust outline width to 5 pixels for definition. Add a drop shadow with distance 5 and softness 8 to enhance legibility. Preview the alpha channel again to ensure the background remains transparent while the text and effects stay visible. Switch to the Deliver page and choose a codec that supports alpha like QuickTime Pro Res 4444. In export settings, set the export to RGB plus alpha to include transparency in the file. Choose your frame range or duration in frames and set a clear file name for the render. Render the clip and then import it back into your edit timeline. Place the rendered transparent text clip above your footage and adjust opacity or blend mode as needed for the final look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.